If moment coefficient about aerodynamic center of wing is 0.216 and lift coefficient of wing is 1.2, find moment coefficient about CG. Given CG location as x CG 0.3, A 0.156, B 0.123, C 0.56, D 1.56. The correct answer is 0.156. A wing-alone aircraft has aerodynamic center pitching moment coefficient of 0.126. If lift coefficient at 0 AOA is 0.38, then find CM0. Consider x CG 0.3, A 0.107, B 7.89, C 1.457, D 0.9845. The correct answer is 0.107. Find tail efficiency if dynamic pressure at tail and wing is 25 Pa and 28 Pa respectively. A 0.892, B 67.89, C 12.54, D 0.067. The correct answer is 0.892. A wing-alone arrangement has wing lift curve slope of 2.65 per rad. Find slope of pitching moment coefficient. Given x CG 0.3, A 0.025 per degree, B 0.03 per rad, C 45 per rad, D 0.0035 per degree. The correct answer is 0.025 per degree. If CL wing 1.2 per rad, then determine CM. Given x CG 0.29, A 0.076 per rad, B 45 per rad, C 0.09 per rad, D 1.45 per rad. The correct answer is 0.076 per rad. An aircraft with wing aft tail configuration has tail efficiency of 0.95 and tail volume ratio of horizontal tail is 0.7. Determine pitching moment coefficient slope for the tail. Given lift curve slope of tail is 4.2 per rad. Consider downwash derivative as 0.6. A 1.1172 per rad. B 2.45. C 234.67 per degree. D 12.788. The correct answer is 1.1172 per rad. For pitching moment coefficient diagram shown below, which one will have positive trim AOA? A aircraft 1, B aircraft 2, C aircraft 3, D aircraft 3 and curve 2 both. The correct answer is aircraft 1. Which of the aircraft will be statically stable based on following diagram? A aircraft number 1, B aircraft number 2, C aircraft number 3, D same static stability for all three aircrafts. The correct answer is aircraft number 1. Which weapon carriage option gives more flexibility to carry different weapons? A internal carriage, B external carriage, C conformal, D rail launch system always. The correct answer is external carriage. How can we say that the aircraft has initial tendency to return to its original equilibrium position after being disturbed? A. If aircraft generates some restoring force or an moment without any external help. B. If restoring force is not generated to oppose the disturbance. C. If lift is same as weight always. D. If thrust loading is always unity. The correct answer is if aircraft generates some restoring force or an moment without any external help. Aircraft is said to be statically stable if A. It has initial tendency to come back to its original equilibrium condition after being disturbed. B. It has tendency to return to equilibrium state with the help of pilot's input. C. It has more lift than weight always. D. It has more thrust than drag. The correct answer is, it has initial tendency to come back to its original equilibrium condition after being disturbed. Longitudinal stability means A. Stability about pitching axis. B. Stability about yawing axis. C. Stability about lateral axis. D. Stability about negative yawing axis. The correct answer is stability about pitching axis. Object shown in the following diagram can be considered as A. Statically stable. B. Statically unstable. C. Stability can be guessed from diagram. D. Neutrally stable. The correct answer is statically stable. If aircraft continues to go farther away from equilibrium position after being disturbed, then the aircraft is called A. Unstable. B. Stable. C. Statically stable. D. Neutrally stable. The correct answer is unstable.